Welcome to Mobizio app training. As you can see on the screen, there are few details here. These details can be obtained once you are registered with Mobizio. Let me put my PIN number in and I'm going to show you how to book on and book off your visits and fill the planned activities. Okay, so this is the main dashboard of Mobizio. If you can see on the top header, you can see the date which says today. So on the right hand side, you can see your visits and you can see a small calendar here. On the left hand side of the screen, you can see the visit timings. And the middle white box, it shows you the name of the service user. On the bottom of the screen, you can see visits, any notifications, and a sync button. Once you press the sync button, the device will synchronize and any visits you have for the day or for the week will be updated. Okay, so my synchronization is done. If I go on the right hand side top corner, if you can see a little arrow button, it will show you for the visits of the week. If I press here for Monday, I do not have anything. Tuesday, I don't have no visits. So for the whole week, you will be able to see your visits here. Let me go back to today's dashboard. As you can see here, my first visit of 9:30 is already being completed. Let's start with next visit, which says 2 o'clock. As you can see on the dashboard, you will be able to see the details of the service user. The name of the service user, the time of the visit, the address of the service user, any previous and later visits you have, visit note, any case fields, planned activities, forms, and associated case. Let's press start visit. Here you go. The visit has started. Now, we come back to planned activities. Once all the task has been completed at the service user house, you have to fill in these planned activities. Let me click on to the first planned activity. As you can see on the upper right corner, there is a done button. Whenever I complete an activity, you always have to submit the activity. There is a little activity description shown here. So if you are unsure what task needs to be done, you can always come back to this app and you can read your activity description. So I have completed this task, hence I'm going to click completed and I'm going to press done. Next is Incontinence Care. Let me go to Incontinence Care. I have completed this task and I'm going to press done. Let me go to lunch. I have prepared the lunch and I have served it. The task is completed and it's submitted. Meal preparation, meal was prepared and served, yes. So, completed. Memetine, it's a medicine. Now this medicine, as you can read here, you will be able to see the dosage, the days you need to give the medicine, the route and any instructions given with the medicine. Here the route says oral. If the medicine has been completed, you can say completed, and because it is administered, you have to click on ADR. Once this button is clicked, it will highlight in blue and you can press done. But if this task is not completed by any reason, so you have to click not completed and you have to click a reason code why this task was not being done. It can be n number of reasons. So if the reason is not matching the first three, you have to click other and you have to describe why this medicine was not given. But at the moment, I'm going to just say the medicine is being given, it is being administered, and I have done my task. As you can see on the bottom, there is a body map form. Body map form means if a service user is having any bruises or any part of the body is being swollen, and you need to inform office, you need to type here the name of the service user, the date, you have to click an image, and you have to sign and press submit. The next is incident form. Any incident occurring at the service user house, this form needs to be filled in. And then you have to click submit. Always submit your forms once they are being filled. After completing all the activities, come back to end visit. Before end visit, there is a little column which says add visit note. If I go here, if you have any issues or concerns which office needs to know, just write down here. At the moment, I will just say no issues. And I will press done. Now it's time to end my visit. As you can see on the top of the service user name, you will be able to see your timing you logged in and the timing you log out. Once I press end visit, a new timing will be shown there which says the visit has been ended. Now I will go back to the main dashboard. This app works offline. Once you reach home, please switch on your Wi-Fi and press the sync button, which is synchronizing now. So Office will be able to receive all the data. Now let's go to menu button. If you can see on the header on the top left, there is a menu button. So it says the name of the person, home button, help center, report a problem, settings and logout. Let me go to help center. In the help center, there are two options which says how to use this application and any frequently asked questions you have. Once I go here, you will be able to see the details, how to use the application. So you will have a better idea how to use this application. Any frequently asked question will be updated here. If I go to report a problem, you will be able to see here whether a feature is not working or there is some other problem in the app. You can always come back here and report a problem if your synchronization is not working, or if your app is not working, or if there is any other reason. Once everything is done and you are at the home button, your visit is finished. Make sure you always go to the main screen and you always log out. Thank you for watching this video. Any further inquiries or queries are most welcomed.